Hi everyone, I'm Charissa.Willow with Charissa.Willow Mixed Media Art. This is week 9 of my weekly Wiener Dog Challenge. In this video, I'm repeating a former project I did with new and vibrant colors. The supplies I used for this project are a mat, a silhouette of a wiener dog cut from Tyvek, 3 stencils from my stencil stash, a 5x7 and an 8x10 gel plate, a smoothing tool, a pink watercolor pencil and a sharpener, acrylic paints, these are from Craftsmart, and these are from the dollar store. I used some brayers, some vinyl letters, and a palette knife. My inspiration for this project are these 2 prints that I did years ago. I just want to recreate them using a fluorescent color palette. I know I want this to be a fluorescent green and blue print with a pink background. When you're doing gel printing, you have to kind of think backwards, so I start with blue, so I will have blue print on the green background. So I bought this huge bottle of white craft paint, and it's annoying because it comes out in huge globs, so I have to use the palette knife to place small amounts randomly around the plate. I drip a small amount of blue paint on the plate. Once I have the paint on the plate, I use a brayer to roll it out. I do not want to roll this out too much because I don't want the color to mix completely. I want it to be marbled. This is what my first layer looks like. Next, I put down green, white, and fluorescent yellow, and I roll this out. This time, I place some stencils down before I pick up this layer with my first print. This will create a blue and green print. Next, I pick up the ghost print on a fresh piece of copy paper. I repeat this process a couple of times so I will get a few prints to choose from with the blue and green patterns. For this one, I use some neon yellow paint and pick up the ghost print with a fresh piece of copy paper. Now I have a couple of patterns to choose from, so I'm ready for my pink layer. I use this neon pink and white and roll it out. I cover it with the vinyl letters and the wiener dog silhouette before pulling this paint with one of the patterned papers. It's important to note that when you use letters, you want to put them on as a mirror image because once you pull your print, it will be backwards. Some of the letters stick to my print, so I carefully peel them off so they don't tear my print. I set this aside to dry and I pull a few more prints. These are the rest of the prints that I get from this printing session. I will either use these as collage papers or use them as backgrounds for future gel prints. Once my Wiener Lover print is dry, I come in with a hot pink watercolor pencil to sharpen up some of the lines. And here are some up-close pictures of the final project. I love the way these colors came out. It is exactly what I was looking for. A new and vibrant spin on an old project. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Please follow me on Facebook at Charissa.Willow Mixed Media Art or on Instagram at Charissa.Willow. Thanks and have a great day.